How do I pack for a nice winter visit? Imagine walking through the bustling streets of New York City, feeling cozy and prepared no matter how cold it gets outside. When planning your trip during the winter months, packing smart is key to enjoying every moment. Winters in New York City can be quite chilly, with temperatures often dropping below freezing, sometimes even reaching 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius. Snow and rain are common, so your clothing needs to be versatile and weatherproof. Start with thermal underwear or base layers like thermal tops and leggings. These keep your body warm without adding bulk. Over these, pack several sweaters made of wool or cashmere, which hold heat better than cotton. A thick, insulated winter coat is a must. Look for a parka or puffer coat that covers your hips or thighs to block the wind and cold. Waterproof or water-resistant outerwear is highly recommended because snow and rain can make sidewalks slippery and wet. For your bottoms, wool pants or thick tights under jeans or skirts will keep you warm. Shoes should be waterproof boots with good traction to handle icy sidewalks and snow. Thick wool or thermal socks are essential to keep your feet warm and dry. Leather sneakers can be useful on dry days, but avoid shoes that aren't weatherproof. Accessories are just as important. Bring a warm hat or beanie, a long, thick scarf, and insulated gloves or mittens. Gloves with touchscreen capability are helpful if you want to use your phone without exposing your hands to the cold. Earmuffs can block the wind chill, and lip balm will prevent chapping in the dry air. Pack a compact umbrella for unexpected snow or rain, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated during long walks. A waterproof backpack or crossbody bag will keep your belongings dry while exploring. Consider an insulated phone case to prevent your device from losing battery power in the cold. Since you might walk 8 to 10 miles a day, comfortable, weather-appropriate footwear is essential. Layering allows you to stay warm outside and cool down indoors with heating. If you plan to attend holiday events or dress up for dinners, include a pair of dressy shoes or boots. In summary, pack thermal base layers, warm sweaters, a high-quality insulated and waterproof coat, wool or thick pants, waterproof boots with warm socks, and essential cold weather accessories like hats, scarves, gloves, and lip balm. Also, bring an umbrella, waterproof bag, and insulated phone case to stay comfortable and prepared for New York City's winter weather. With the right gear, you can enjoy all the sights, activities, and festive events the city has to offer without worrying about the cold.